this one.
Okay, let's find out what's inside.
Oh, wait. Ah! This is the 22nd of December. I'm just letting you know. Because it might say, is that the 3rd or 4th of December? But it's actually the 2nd. Now, what is in here? Now, what is this?
Yeah, you can drink it. You can eat it with your cup of
Why would
tea.
you drink it?
You can eat it with your cup of tea.
Why would you drink biscuits?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
That's only way. These are biscuits.
Yay!
A few moments later.
Second present now. Now it's huge. I have no idea what's inside, but I'm gonna save that for last.
Okay.
'Cause I'm kind of curious if it's gonna have a bomb in there or something.
No, don't be silly.
I'm just joking. Why would my mum put a bomb in my present? Oh, this is so cute.
Yeah, I gave you some Christmas card. A
Christmas
cutie,
kitty.
because you like cat. Now, can you read what's inside?
To me, Merry Christmas, Samuel. Just put in your hand.
Just put in your heart wherever I am.
Mommy,
Mommy loves you very much. You are always in my heart and in my mind every second, every minute, every day. I love you a million times. From your one and only mom, Sheena.
look at it. This is gonna be. This is so cute.
You like kittens, don't you?
I'm giving it the eyes. So that's gonna be here.
Yeah.
Because I don't want it to get lost. My favourite. I love kitties. What's in here?
Yeah, we can put the card there later.
What is in here?
I don't know.
Google said
You
it.
will find out.
Yep. Now we know what's in it. Pokemon. Yeah. Is this a Pokemon card book? Please
No.
tell me it is. If it is a Pokemon card book, I'm gonna give it straight to my brother.
Ay.
Wait. Wow.
Wow.
Pokemon.
What does it do? Is your Pokemon fire type? Yes. Does your Pokemon have a tail? Yes. Your Pokemon is Charizard. Flip it over.
Wow. I can't even get.
You press the button. Try to
Oh.
press the button.
Hello, trainer. Are you ready for your Pokemon journey? I can read your mind and guess which Pokemon you're thinking of. You just have to picture it in your mind and answer my questions. If I can guess which Pokemon it is, it will be added to your electronic collection. We now have 2 Pokemon. That's a good start. Do you think we can guess them all? Think very hard of the Pokemon you want me to guess. Say okay when you're ready.
Okay.
Tap in. Say okay.
Okay.
Say okay when you're ready.
Okay.
Say okay when you're ready.
Okay.
Super! I'm going to ask you a few questions. Answer yes, no, or I don't know. You can also say it depends. Does it usually stand on 2 legs?
I don't know.
Okay. Is it mainly yellow?
I don't know.
That's what I thought. Is your Pokemon mainly pink?
No.
Interesting. Does your Pokemon have a tail?
No.
Does your Pokemon have a tail?
No.
I see. Does it have legs?
Of course it does.
Yes.
Did your Pokemon
No.
No!
Okay, is it a dual type?
No!
That's what I thought. Is your Pokemon a fighting type?
No!
Interesting. Can your Pokemon evolve into another Pokemon?
No!
I see. Is it found mainly underwater?
Yes.
Yes!
Ah, that's it. I got it. If I'm not mistaken, you were thinking of Kingler. Am I right?
Who's Kimler?
Great. We found Kingler.
Who's Kimler?
Did you know
Yeah,
that
oh,
Kingler
I want to get it out.
A few moments later.
Hi guys. Hello guys. Guys, I'm on the last gift now. I have no idea what is in it. Like the last episode, I was when I got this Pokemon ball. So I'm gonna open it now.
Unboxing of his last present.
No, what is this? Oh, I know. Yeah, that and 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 this.
You and Reese can play with it. It's a boxing robot.
And there's a bunch of batteries stuck in
Yeah,
the
we
top.
can put a battery inside. Here, show it. There. Which color do you like?
Blue.
It's nice boxing robot. Knock your opponent's head off. Blue and red. Samuel likes blue.
A few moments later.
So guys, we're just gonna make some pizza. It's very beautiful. See all the contents inside. There. Samuel is trying to shape the pizza. Say hi.
Hi. Supposed
So
to be in the
Samuel
oven.
made some pizza.
Yes.
Just a slice. With some lots of cheese, pepperoni, and some, what's the green one?
An olive.
Yeah, yum, 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 yum.
Yes, but this thing isn't a rip-off.
So now Samuel is making some
Mushroom.
mushroom. He already made some spicy chili. So now he's gonna put some mushroom on it to finish his
Secret
yummy
recipe.
scrumptious pizza.
And also secret recipe.
Yeah, I got a secret recipe.